So I'm here in Sevierville. I've been calling it Seaverville for the last 2 days. And somebody just now told me it's Sevierville, Tennessee for Ponies and the Smokies. I'm here with RTR. Right now I got a line of RTRs behind me. We have a dealership car that Josh Hipp is driving. And then we have some customer cars. And then bringing up the rear is 5-Star Jim. But we're cruising down to Tail of the Dragon, and we're gonna be doing a fun little outing today ahead of the show for Ponies and the Smokies with these owners, just to kind of say thank you and let's have a little bit of fun together. To the meetup spot here at Tail of the Dragon. It's a general store they have here where you can get your collectibles and some snacks and whatnot. This was a lot of fun, my first time out on the Dragon, and dude, I want to do it again immediately, like right now. I was driving the RTR Spec 2. This one here is a pre-production model that we do a lot of our testing on. We also had it out at SEMA. Vaughn was drifting this thing around there. This thing is great. Right now it's got a test set of our track pack wheels. So it's a 10 and a half in the front. So we got wider tires. So this is a 295 up front. And in the rear, we have a 315. So this is something that we had never done before. We want to have a track set up, see how it does. So out here on the Tail of the Dragon is the perfect way to test all this. Josh Hipp was cruising over here in this one. This is I believe this is a carbonized gray. This is also our RTR Spec 2. Which number is this one? Number 95. So over here we have David in this Spec 2. It's a convertible. What's crazy about this is at the time that David had this one built, or Tyndall had this one built for us, that eventually ended up with David, we'd only built 13 of these in the entire history of RTR. So that's pretty crazy. Right now we're up, I want to say maybe 15 or 16 convertibles, but this is definitely a rare find. So if you ever see a convertible RTR, any generation, this is the rarest of the RTRs. He's got the new bronze Aero 5s on here, which look freaking phenomenal. Then over here we got Noah's car. This here is a Spec 3 from the last gen, the S550s. I absolutely love it here with this eruption green. And he added a nice little touch here with the purple in the badge, which you really got to get up to see it, but it's one of those things that makes you do a double take. And I really like to see when customers kind of add their own little touches and make the car their own. So that is freaking awesome. And then down here, we have another car that was from Tyndall that was built at the lab. This one here is a race red car. This one also has the new Aero 5s on here, but in a satin black. So this one is really nice. I really love this red. I'm a big fan of cars that pop and you can see coming down the road. It's really cool to see when the customers will come out and we're able to interact with them. Ponies and the Smokies is a big event for us to be able to do that, and I absolutely love it because it's one thing to interact with people via email or even over the phone, but when you're in person and you go to where not only the fans but the owners are of the vehicles and really get to interact, you know that what you're doing, people appreciate it, they love it, and you get a sense for who the customer is, and that stops them from being customers and just being cool ass people. If you've never done Tail of the Dragon, it is a must for any car person. Even the Foothills Parkway is a lot of fun, really curvy, but it's got nothing on 312 curves in 11 miles. It was insane. And this RTR Spec 2, like I said earlier in the video, has our track pack setup. So it's wider wheels in the front, and holy crap does this thing have grip. This thing is a beast. And Vaughn told me do 75%. 75% responsible, which means only 25% fun again. Man, so much fun. If I really got after it, holy hell. I haven't even checked my heart rate yet. It's gotta be up there. I love my job. And in today's episode, I'm gonna be showing you how to install the RTR rocker panels for your, is that what we call them? Side rockers? I'm telling you right now, it's cold. Whoa!